Hi everyone, today is tassel time and we're going to make a tassel for this classic Winnie the Pooh journal. I got to put my nameplate and everything up here and do the spine, but let's do a tassel for it. So here we go. I love this Dollar Tree lace. I use this a lot for vintage things that I do. So take some of that. I don't see it anymore there. I see the thicker one there, but I don't see this thinner version. Do you guys still see this one there? I don't. I just see the one that's like about maybe that thick. And I guess I could get that and cut it, but I don't really want to do that. A lot of the ribbons that I have that are too thick that I got on clearance, I just cut them. But once I use those up, I'm not going to get them anymore, I don't think. Deanna Grooms gave me a sample of this in some Happy Mail sometime last year, and I thought that would go perfect with it because it's got the yellow on it, so this will go perfect for this tassel. What else is in here? I might want to touch a green. Let me just see what I have. Needs to be a certain green though. I'm gonna add this one just for fun because it does have this kind of green in the fabric. So let's just add some of this. This is quite old too. I got this at Hobby Lobby probably 5 years ago. Green and white. Might as well use it up. It's just sitting there. Okay. Let me take my jacket off. It's hot in here. So I'll probably upload this on Thursday morning. It's Wednesday night. I just recorded my walk for you guys, but sadly, after 10 minutes, I had to go back inside because all of a sudden, well, my shins were killing me, but I didn't care about that. But my lower back started killing me. I was like, no, I'm going to go in. So, fortunately, the walk tonight was only 10 minutes. But I guess it's better than nothing. This is a pretty soft yellow. Goes so nice with the fabric. And we just have this pop of green just to give it a little bit of a pop. Alright, what happened there? I usually do 3 knots just to make sure it's tied nice and tight. I'm just gonna cut this off at the bottom. Some people angle it. Sometimes I do, and sometimes I just cut it straight across. Okay. Now we need to put a little jar of honey on it. So I have to get my little bees out for the strings. So put those aside. I got these ruby slippers for when I did the Wizard of Oz journal. I like how it came out. I'm surprised it didn't sell yet. So I got 2 bees for the strings, and I want one of these honey pots for the tassel itself. So let's put that on. Okay. There we go. So that's the tassel. And then, while I have the journal here, I will put on the bees. Then off camera, I'll work on the spine, get all that ready, and then tomorrow it'll be dry so I can put the tassel on, and then I'll list it. If anyone's interested in my shop, it is linked below. Or you can just go to my website, pdpiedesigns.com. It'll take you right to the Etsy link. Oh. Now that Joann's going out of business, I went and got the Harlequin fabric because I use that for my Alice in Wonderland journals, and I only sold 3 of those, but I ended up getting 2 yards of it because they had quite a bit on the bulk. But you know, if I wait and wait and wait, because there's really not that many great sales going on right now at Joann's at all. Like sewing machines are only 15% off. And like Tim Holtz stuff and all that is like 30% off. It's not really anything to brag about right now. But then I figured, well, if I wait till the last minute, what if it's gone? And I can't find it anywhere else. I know Hobby Lobby doesn't sell it. And so I just bought 2 yards of it. And 1 yard I can pretty much make 4 journals with 1 yard. Usually. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Alright, so the bees are on. There we go. And I'm going to just stick some beads on there, and then we will call that done. So here's the bees on the strings. I'm going to get started on the nameplate and get all that ready so that I'll be able to list this tomorrow or probably knowing me, it'll be the weekend at some point. So thank you for Tassel Time. Thank you for joining me for Tassel Time. Um, happy crafting, and I will catch you next time. Bye.